Thanks, Briley. And yeah, that's what we're hoping for, that those temperatures will rise, make some of that slush a little wetter and kind of easier to navigate today.
It sure is still very pretty though, you guys. I mean, we still have a lot of snow out there, not necessarily on the roads, but certainly on the grass. You can see Regions Field right now. We're sitting at 33 degrees in Birmingham and everything's white down there in downtown Coleman. Now we're at 30, and so I would definitely take it easy, especially on less traveled roads and bridges and overpasses due to some black ice. There's actually a winter weather advisory in effect for Coleman County, and then as you go north too. Downtown Birmingham, we're looking at I-65. Look at all that snow still hanging around Gadsden there at the Riverwalk, and we've got Chelsea. This is a pretty impressive shot too, down into Shelby County Highway 280, but we're sitting at 34 degrees. Here's a look at our numbers. So again, those areas up here along the Highway 278 corridor where we are below freezing, those areas really got to be careful. Most of the rest of us are just barely above freezing. It's pretty cold out there and kind of blustery too. The winds have been gusty. We'll keep the wind elevated through the day today. We're going to keep the clouds around too, and so unfortunately we're not going to get the sun out to really kind of melt that snowpack. So I suspect that some of it will still be around tomorrow too, on the grass and things of that nature. All right, so some lingering ice early this morning in just a few spots. I don't think we're going to have widespread issues with a lot of us above freezing this morning. Tomorrow morning is going to be bitter cold, teens and low 20s. Look at that, 14 in Gadsden, 19 in Anniston, 23 in Bessemer. So some low 20s as you go further south. And then we get a front through here Sunday night into early on Monday. This is the future cast around daybreak on Monday. And while the bulk of the rain looks to be south of us, there could be a few spotty light rain showers that do move through Sunday night into early Monday. And then we get another blast of cold air to come in as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Morning low temperatures will be rough for several days next week in the teens and low 20s. Back to you.